So in recent years, what we've discovered also is that the larger birds love to nest under solar panels. And now that we've got millions of homes that have got solar panels on them, we've created a little, I shouldn't say a little, but a large nesting place for some of the bigger birds like pigeons and seagulls that love the gap underneath your solar panels. Early days we attempted to use our own meshes and which was very successful to use our own meshes, but it was quite difficult with the different installation types that we have to do to protect it under a solar panel. We now have a range of products that we can offer to protect the solar panels, and it's designed specifically to make sure that you don't void any warranties, and you can make sure that it is a long-lasting protection so that we can keep birds from nesting underneath the panels. So solar panels also rely on them being clean, and we really would like to encourage people to protect them, because what also happens, even with the nesting of the birds underneath the panels, they also stand and sit and what have you and make a mess on top of the panels, which then reduces the capacity of your solar panels. So not only protecting the underside of your panels, but this will also increase the capacity on what it's supposed to do on the top side of the panels.